Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Binance withdrawal suspended issue. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your account is fully verified. Go to the profile icon and select identification. Ensure you have completed all the verification steps. If your verification is pending, give it some time or contact Binance support for assistance. Next, check your account security settings. Ensure two-factor authentication is enabled. Go to security under the profile menu and verify two-factor authentication is active. Sometimes withdrawals are suspended for security reasons, and having two-factor authentication can help resolve this. Also, check for any announcements from Binance about maintenance or updates. These can temporarily suspend withdrawals. You can find announcements on the homepage or in the news section. Lastly, if everything seems fine but you still cannot withdraw, reach out to the Binance support. Click on the support button at the bottom of the page and submit a ticket. And that's it. Follow these steps and you should be able to resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.